Hello everyone, welcome back to my treasure trove. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics, vision boards. Let's talk about how to create a vision board that actually works for you in 2025. So this video is packed with tips, tricks and neuroscience backed strategies to create a vision board that actually works. Alright then, let's get started. Before we jump into the creative process, let's talk about why vision boards are so effective. Did you know there's actual science behind it? Neuroscience has this concept called value tagging, which means our brains prioritize images over words. When you look at a vision board, your brain starts associating those images with your goals and helps you subconsciously focus on achieving them. It's like tricking your brain into thinking your dreams are already reality. That's interesting, right? Setting a clear intention is so important because it gives your vision board a central theme. So take a moment and reflect on what you truly want for 2025. Ask yourself, what helped me grow this past year that I want to carry forward? What's holding me back that I need to leave behind? And if my biggest dreams came true in 2025, how would I feel? Now jot down your answers and let them guide your creative process. Personally, I love taking this time to journal and really connect with what matters most to me. Once you have answered these questions, you will have a clear idea of what you want to manifest. Now comes the fun part. Close your eyes and visualize your dream life. What do you see? What do you feel? Then head to Pinterest or magazines and find images that evoke those same feelings. Choose ones that truly resonate with you. Here's a little secret that makes your vision board even more powerful. Add pictures of yourself. By adding pictures of yourself into your vision board will help your brain visualize you in that positive state, and that connection can supercharge your manifestations. Alright, now you have the materials. Start by laying everything out. Group images by theme. For example, health, finances, relationships, personal growth, whatever as you want. One thing I always include into my vision board is affirmations. As we all know, affirmations are incredibly powerful. So I truly believe that adding affirmations into our vision board helps amplify our energy and focus. For instance, one of mine is, every day I become more organized and healthier. Like this, choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and align with the energy you want to attract into your life in 2025.
Trust me, this makes wonders.
Alright, now I want to share a few do's and don'ts with you all. One of the biggest don'ts that I personally want to share is don't put something that does not mean anything to you. If you are going to clutter your vision board with a lot of random things, you will have one that does not evoke any emotions in you. So remember, emotion is the biggest and the most important thing. I think the next thing I'm going to say could be a bit of a red flag for some of you. But don't set goals that are super unrealistic. When you set smaller actionable goals, you will witness them come true. This will make your belief in vision boarding and manifestation a lot stronger. So for your first vision board, I would suggest you to have few ambitious goals, but also some that you know quite easy for you to get with a little bit of a hard work. So once you build up your confidence, then aim as high as you want. Trust me, your life can change 180 degrees within a few months, so don't give up. Once your vision board is complete, keep it somewhere you will see it daily. A vision board only works if you engage with it regularly. So remember, the key is to see it often. Ideally every morning and night, to keep your goals front and center in your mind. Spend a few moments every day visualizing yourself living the life you have created on the board. As I mentioned in the beginning, your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and the reality. So the more you visualize, the closer you get to make it real. Remember, your vision board is your tool. With consistent effort, intention, and belief, it can help you reach highest you never thought possible. So take your time, make one that truly resonates with you, and start living with purpose. Remember, your vision board is your tool. With consistent effort, intention, and belief, it can help you reach highest you never thought possible. So take your time, make one that truly resonates with you, and start living with the purpose. If you made it here and decided to start your vision board today, please drop a star emoji in the comments. Alright then, take care till my next video. Bye!